Hello, welcome to another video in the Let's Code Essentials tutorial series, and in this video we are going to talk about creating a website. We've done that in our previous video. I'm just going to go over it to refresh in your mind if you've actually forgotten how to create a website or a project. Now you have to just click, when you log in, click on the add project. Make sure your website name doesn't have spaces. Instead of spaces, use hyphen, right? And when you type in the name, make sure that it's less than 13 characters. It shouldn't be long. Just find something that's going to remind you what the project is all about. It's going to help you organize your project. That name is not going to go online. It's just going to be something in the application to show you that this website is for this purpose and all that. Now we've created our website already in a previous video, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. Now that I'm in there, I'm just going to show you how the interface of the application, and then we are going to go on to the next video and talk about the basic the basic building blocks of Let's Code. So now what we have here is sort of a simple clean interface. Don't let it intimidate you. It really is nothing. It's easy once you get to know what each of these buttons are for. So we are going to start with the create buttons because you're going to use them a lot. Now this for section, blocks, image, and the like. These are elements that you're going to use in building your website. Now when you come down here, we have tools. We have the add tool, we have the delete tool, we have the duplicate tool, we have the save tool, we have the lock tool, then we have the magic tool, we have the upload website to, button, and the refresh or reload your page button. Now when we come down here, we have very simple things here. I'm sure you can guess what these are for. These are for getting your designs in various sizes, right? Looking at how your design looks in various sizes and actually tweaking it to make sure that it looks perfect on every device that you actually use. Now down here we have a search bar that when you click on, you have node references. This is our node where you're actually going to search for nodes to add to your elements. Now we are going to talk about that in a later video. For now, let's just focus on the interface. Now at the top here, we have our name, we have the store, we have your projects to get you back to your project. Now on the right side, we have generate sitemap, save your page layout. So one of the things about Let's Code is after building your whole page, you can save it out, apply it somewhere else, or export it for the App Store or the asset store so that another person can download it for a fee or for free so that they can use it to build their website or their projects. Now you can take a screenshot of what you're doing, send it to your friends, send it to the people that you are working for, if you're a freelancer or whatever it is that you want to use the picture for. I mean, you can just take a screenshot of it. Then these buttons we are going to go over in another video, so we are just not going to bother ourselves with it. This is to publish your website, and we have a basic unit that Let's Code actually comes or works with. So we have the percentage, the pixels, view width or view height. That depends on you what you want to use as you're building, but automatically we have the pixels selected. So if you want to change it to percentage, you just have to click on the percentage to actually create it. And you can see we have an empty page, and that's exactly what Let's Code comes with. When you create your first project or you create any page, it's empty. You need to start working on it. Now we are going to go to the settings page panel. This is where you are going to do most of your work. Now this is what we call the website panel. We are going to describe what it actually does later. Now we have the applied nodes panel. We have the current assets where your images are going to be. We have your section styles where all your section styles that you actually save or download from the asset store will be. Then we have your node options. We will talk about that later, and your page layouts. Basically, this is going to help us actually build our website easily, and it's not a big of a deal. It's very easy to understand. So in the next video, we are just going to go and build on what we know. Now we know what each of these buttons are for in Let's Code. So in the next video, let's build on this and then build an understanding on how Let's Code works.